Hi, my name is John Price, Sales and Design Manager for E.C.D Automotive Design. Today we're going to talk to you about what is it like to own a Defender in different environments. Some of our clients may choose to have these as a beach vehicle for their vacation home or for occasional travel, etc. And of course, we cater for clients that are looking for that type of experience extremely well. We can do things on the car, of course, to make it more versatile and comfortable to drive in that environment, as well as to be more durable. Many of our clients that want to go with a beach truck, of that style, go with a convertible soft top. Which they can roll up the windows and take completely off if they want to. Also, we offer Linux coating on the flooring if they prefer to have that instead of carpeting per se, which is easier to just hose off if they wanted to instead of having to vacuum per se the carpet. Now, as far as driving, of course, this vehicle having a permanent all-wheel drive system would enable you to get into sand very comfortably. If, of course, you get into deeper sands and things of that nature, you can certainly drive it in low gearing and get yourself out of a situation. For folks that want to have a little bit more of a rugged type of drive, we also offer an optional manual central locking differential that if they wish to have a little bit more control over the driving experience, they could do so as well. But I would say probably most of our clients keep the standard setup the way they come with, since they're very strong to begin with. So they'll be easily getting in and out of sand and not having any issues, of course, driving around in the type of terrain as well. So now some other folks may want to have a little bit more of off-road experience driving their vehicles, whether it's to have it on a farm or somewhere remote where there's no paved roads and things like that. And of course, we also provide many features that they can take advantage of to make this vehicle more suitable for that type of environment. Now, we offer upgraded suspensions with the Fox shocks and lift if they want to have a little bit more flexibility and articulation as they go through rugged terrain, low speeds, of course. Also, we can offer protection components on the axles and the steering guard, which is a skid plate basically that goes below the vehicle, also for more of a protective and also more aggressive aesthetic look into the car. And beyond that, of course, if they wanted to go with different types of tires and wheels that would be more suitable for that environment, that would not be as prone to get damaged per se, or could not withstand as much as the abuse that they're planning on give the vehicle. Now, you'd be surprised how many people are planning on driving their E.C.D Defenders daily, and therefore we tailor those vehicles with the options and components that would make it most suitable for that type of environment as well. Air suspension is something that is very popular, of course, enhances about 25% of the quality of the ride. Also adding features such as blind spot assist, especially when you're driving in traffic and you're not able to see who's coming or going around, and it's visibility challenging for you. And we also do some leisure features such as a larger screen stereo with CarPlay, wireless charging pads that could be added in multiple points of the vehicle. Now, one more thing that we do in all of our cars, and of course helps out tremendously for folks that are driving around the city and places that's a little bit louder perhaps, it's a 3-layer insulation process that's done in every E.C.D truck. Now, not only would this help with keeping the noises out, of course, but also helping with weather insulation, whether it's heat or cold, and vice versa. So we also encourage folks that are looking for a quieter and softer ride to go with certain type of road tires that will still look aggressive enough, but perhaps will give them a little bit more of that quietness and quality ride they're searching for. Well, as you can tell, our E.C.D custom vehicles are extremely versatile, and whichever environment clients are looking to experience their drive, there's a way, of course, for us to gear it in that direction. So again, whether you're looking for something that is more rugged or a fun beach ride or something to drive around every day around the city, an ECD Custom will be the right call for you.